Dear students, welcome to this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. In today's video lesson, you are going to learn about how to create a PowerPoint presentation, how to save a PowerPoint presentation, how to open a PowerPoint presentation, add and delete a slide in a presentation, slide layouts. So let us begin with today's video lesson. Let us see how to create a PowerPoint presentation. If you want to create a PowerPoint presentation, first of all start Microsoft PowerPoint. This opening screen will come. Then you click on the Office button, click on New. In this dialog box you select blank presentation and then click on Create button. A new presentation will open and a default name of the presentation like presentation 1, presentation 2, etc. will be visible on the title bar. These are the different slides or the pages of your presentation. When you create any presentation, the very first thing that you should do is to save a presentation by giving some meaningful name. The name which you give to your presentation should refer to some of the contents of your presentation so that later on you can easily identify the contents of the presentation from the name. So let us see how to save a presentation. As you can see on the title bar, when you create a presentation, the default name of the presentation is visible on the title bar. If you want to give name of your choice, then click on the Office button, then click on Save option. Through this dialog box, you choose the location where you want to save your file, like desktop or any other drive of your computer. Then give a meaningful name to your presentation. Like I am giving a name how to save a presentation. And then finally click on the Save button. You will see that the name which you have given will appear on the title bar. So in this way, very easily you can save your presentation. Steps to open a presentation. Once you have saved your presentation, you can open it by following different methods. One of the method is to go to the location where you have saved your presentation. Like we have saved our file on a desktop. So go to desktop, search for the file and double click on it. If you double click a file, your presentation will get open. So this is one way of opening a PowerPoint presentation. or you can open a PowerPoint presentation by opening MS PowerPoint, then clicking on the Office button, then click on Open option. A dialog box will appear. You choose the location where you have saved your file and browse through the content. Click on your file and then click on Open button. In this way also you can open your saved presentation. Steps to add and delete your slide in the presentation. As I told you earlier, a PowerPoint presentation consists of number of individual pages called as slides. When you open a presentation, by default, a single slide comes in your presentation. You can add as many slides as you want by following the steps. In the Home tab in Slides group, you have this option of adding a slide to your presentation. If you click on this option, New Slide, a new slide will get added in your presentation. So as many pages as you want, you can add. If you click on the drop down arrow of New Slide option, you will see the slides of different formats. These are all slide layouts. You can choose any of the slide layout of your choice and your convenience. More details about this slide layout we will learn in the next slide. If you want to delete any slide from your presentation, you can simply select that slide and then you can click on the delete option. This will delete a slide from the presentation. Different slide layouts in PowerPoint. As I explained you in the previous slide, slides can come in different formats like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption, etc. Based on the use, you can select any of this slide layout, which will be more clear in our next slides. So, with the knowledge which you have achieved so far, you are now ready to make a simple presentation. In today's video lesson, we will make a very simple presentation without adding much effects to it. Just to demonstrate you how you can start making your presentation, let us begin with making a small presentation on living versus non-living things. For making a presentation, first of all, you start Microsoft PowerPoint. By default, one slide comes in your presentation with the default name. The first thing that you should do is to save your presentation with a meaningful name. Choose the location where you want to save your file and give a meaningful name. Like here I am making a presentation on living versus non-living things. It is always better to give a meaningful name to your presentation. Click on Save button. Your presentation will be saved with the name given by you. Now there is one slide, a default slide that come in your presentation, that is title and subtitle slide. You give a title of your presentation. Like here I am giving the name living versus non-living things. You can add subtitle if you want. Like we will have difference between living and non-living things. Then we will give some examples. So here is your title slide. Now you can add few more slides in your presentation. If you click on the drop down arrow of new slide option, different slide layouts will be visible. So here I am choosing two content. Give the title of your slide. And then suppose I want to add some effects to the text, I can always do. And if I want to add a picture of living thing and non-living thing, then I can add it by following these steps. Don't bother much about these steps because we will discuss it later. So here I have added one picture of living thing. And in this box I will add a picture of non-living things. So this slide layout is more suitable for the work which I have done just now. I have written the title and below that I have added two pictures. Now if you felt like you have to add certain points also, then you can change the layout by using layout button from the slides group. Now here you can see the layout of the same slide is now changed, and it has given me the space to add certain points about living and non-living things. So just above the picture I can add some points about living things, like living things can move, some more point about living things you can add, like living things can grow, etc. Similarly, I can add few points about non-living things. Cannot move, cannot grow. So this way Now if I want to add pictures along with important points, then this slide layout is suitable for me. So in this way, when you are making a slide, you have to first decide the use of your slide, and accordingly you can choose a layout that is more suitable for your purpose. I am adding a last slide now. This is title only slide, and here I will write something like we will explore more options in our next video lessons. So in this way you can make a simple presentation. This presentation I have made just to give you some idea about how you can start making your own presentation. Some other features that you can apply to your presentation that we will learn in our next video lesson. So next week we will learn slide transition, slide animation, and some more effects that you can add to the contents of your slide to make your presentation live and attractive. So see you next week. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.